All right, I'm going to show you how I put more protein into my pancakes in the morning. So the first thing that I always use is the Kodiak Cakes pancake mix because it has significantly higher protein than most pancake mixes do. There's also like a Krusteaz brand now that has a high protein that you can get as well. This is the pumpkin flax. I think the pumpkin flax has less protein than the normal buttermilk does, and I didn't look when I bought it, or I might not have bought it, but we'll see. And so the first thing is that I'm actually only going to use half a serving of the pumpkin flax pancake mix, so that's a 1/4 cup, not a half cup. I'll put it in my little thing here. The second thing I add is, so instead of just adding water or milk, I'm actually going to add non-fat Greek yogurt. And this is not going to add any fat, but it is going to add about 6 more grams of protein. I'm just going to try to get my measuring cup to behave here. So 1/4 cup of that, finger in to get it all out. The other thing this does is this makes the pancake mix go a little bit farther so that I don't have so many carbs. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is add an egg. If you're watching fat, you can actually add like 2 egg whites instead. But this is going to add about 6 to 7 more grams of protein to my mix. And then I'm just going to stir that up, and sometimes depending on how much volume the egg has, which obviously is going to be different for every egg, this is still going to be a little dry, and so I am going to add just a little bit of water just so the consistency is about right for me to be able to make pancakes with. And then I'll post the macros for this. I haven't done that. Haven't done the math, but it works out to be over 20 grams of protein, and then your fat is going to be probably about 10, and then your carbs, actually your fat's probably going to be about 7, and your carbs are going to be about, well, half of 35, so whatever that is.